Here are 11 benefits of hiring a data scientist at your business. If you'd like the short answer of why your business needs a data scientist, consider this statistic from a recent report released by McKinsey Global Institute. It estimates that the successful analysis of big data could potentially improve the annual gross domestic product in manufacturing and retail by as much as $325 billion by the end of this decade. And that specific skill set is one that's right in the wheelhouse of data scientists. Generally speaking, a data scientist understands how to manage large data sets and extract meaning by utilizing mathematical, statistical, and machine learning techniques. The insights gained transform the data your business collects into a viable asset your company can benefit from in a variety of ways. Here are 7 reasons you may want to hire a data scientist for your company. Number 1. Monetize your data. Facebook monetizes the data it collects from its subscribers, and you can too. For example, plenty of retailer sites have a feature that says, "Customers who bought this item also bought," which shows items likely to increase sales. It is this type of creative analysis that can allow you to improve revenues at your business. Number 2. Mitigate the risk of your company. One of the tasks data scientists are charged with is analyzing client churn patterns, which allows you to react proactively rather than reactively should you happen to notice a trend of customers favoring competing businesses over yours. To win back customers, you can send out teaser deals or other discounts, and thwart the shift of fleeing consumers. Data scientists also evaluate data from other businesses that you may consider partnering with. This helps to minimize risk. For example, a data scientist could analyze information provided by a third-party payment processor on a company you were considering doing business with, and that analysis could be used to determine the creditworthiness of the company in question. Number 3. Gain a better understanding of your customers. Customer behaviors change over time, and it's difficult to monitor that change without the use of a data scientist. For example, the website Airbnb, which helps travelers and hosts find and rent affordable lodging spaces, recently reviewed consumer behavior during website searches and revamped its algorithm engine to provide more customized results. As a consequence, both bookings and reservations increased. It's that sort of glimpse into the actions of your customer base that a data scientist could uncover in order to improve your business model. Number 4. Receive unique insights. Let's suppose that through the effective analysis of data, your scientist finds a correlation between the sale of Cocoa Krispies to winter snowstorms. If that were to be the case, a grocer could strategically place that food item in its retail location during snowstorms in order to increase sales. It would be difficult, if not impossible, to come up with this correlation on your own. That's where a data scientist fits in perfectly. Number 5. Get assistance with business expansion. With a data scientist, you might be able to uncover new markets that would potentially be interested in your product or service. Your advertising campaign might be solid, but a data scientist could review it and determine the type of new customers gained from a particular initiative so you can tweak future campaigns. Data science can also be used to identify new trends or to determine which particular inventory items will have a more immediate effect on revenues. Number 6. Improve forecasting. Mining your company data through the use of machine learning and neural networks have been employed for quite some time to predict results in the future, and many data scientists have skills in both areas. For example, a car repair business could analyze spikes in consumer visits over the past several years in order to write a better employee schedule. Number 7. Receive objective business decisions. Data speaks for itself, and having solid, verifiable data on hand can help you make decisions based on objectivity, taking emotions and precedents out of the equation. If egos, emotion, or a tendency to do things the same way year after year have hampered your efforts in the past, a data scientist can help. Number 8. Create new revenue streams. The insights that you gain from analyzing your market and its consumers with big data are not just valuable to you. You could sell them as non-personalized trend data to large industry players operating in the same segment as you and create a whole new revenue stream. Number 9. Customize your website in real time. Big data analytics allows you to personalize the content or look and feel of your website in real time to suit each consumer entering your website, depending on, for instance, their sex, nationality, or from where they ended up on your site. The best known example is probably offering tailored recommendations. Amazon's use of real-time, item-based, collaborative filtering to fuel its frequently bought together, and customers who bought this item also bought features. Or LinkedIn suggesting people you may know or companies you may want to follow. And the approach works. Amazon generates about 20% more revenue via this method. Number 10. Reducing maintenance costs. Traditionally, factories estimate that a certain type of equipment is likely to wear out after so many years. Consequently, they replace every piece of that technology within that many years, even devices that have much more useful life left in them. Big data tools do away with such unpractical and costly averages. The massive amounts of data that they access and use in their unequal speed can spot failing grid devices and predict when they will give out. The result: a much more cost-effective replacement strategy for the utility and less downtime, as faulty devices are tracked a lot faster. Number 11. Redevelop your products. Big data can also help you understand how others perceive your products so that you can adapt them, or your marketing, if need be. Analysis of unstructured social media text allows you to uncover the sentiments of your customers and even segment those in different geographical locations or among different demographic groups. On top of that, big data lets you test thousands of different variations of computer-aided designs in the blink of an eye so that you can check how minor changes in, for instance, material affect costs, lead times, and performance. You can then raise the efficiency of the production process accordingly. And last but not least, number 11. Dialogue with consumers. Today's consumers are a tough nut to crack. They look around a lot before they buy, talk to their entire social network about their purchases, demand to be treated as unique, and want to be sincerely thanked for buying your products. Big data allows you to profile these increasingly vocal and fickle little tyrants in a far-reaching manner so that you can engage in an almost one-on-one, real-time conversation with them. This is not actually a luxury. If you don't treat them like they want to, they will leave you in the blink of an eye. Just a small example: when any customer enters a bank, big data tools allow the clerk to check his or her profile in real time and learn which relevant products or services he might advise. Big data will also have a key role to play in uniting the digital and physical shopping spheres. A retailer could suggest an offer on a mobile carrier on the basis of a consumer indicating a certain need in the social media. If your organization is in need of a data scientist, please visit my data science gigs at Fiverr.com via the link below. Thank you for watching my show, and please like, subscribe and share. This is Datalicious, signing off.